So, I want to talk about something. I have seen some discussions going on in the comment section of my last video where I posted Ezengwa, having his best time in Ethiopia and me being angry, standing in the cold rain. Some discussions about how he could have left me. I shouldn't feel jealous. I shouldn't worry. I shouldn't be monitoring the videos he's sending me. People, Ezengwa and I have come a long way. Ever since I know this man has been going home for Christmas. Oiwu. Igbo homecoming is in his DNA. This is not all these dirty December news you'll be hearing on social media recently. People going to Lagos or to Ghana. No, this is inside Igbo blood going home for Christmas. This is where all the meme is happening. Burial, weddings, chieftaincy title, introdonkowa, hanchanine. This is the time. Onyibo has to be home. You have to go. And there's being a pure Igbo man. This is so important to him. And because of that, it's also important to me. You have to go. I might be jealous that I'm not there. But let's talk the truth. Buying tickets for 6 people, Oburo Obrife, is too much money. Nukutego. We just came back from Nigeria. We cannot just shit money anyhow and go back just to spend 2 weeks. It's not possible. So he has to go. He has to go and represent us and celebrate for us and drink the Ngueno for me and eat the Ngobi for me. At least he'll be sending me updates through video. Let me enjoy small. He had to go. Even though I'm jealous, I'm happy for him. And I know he would be happy for me too if it was the other way around. That's just the things you do in a mixed cultured marriage. It's something also Igbo wives would do for their husband. You have to go. There's an importance of coming home, of reconnecting with your family. Maybe it's difficult to understand, but the minute you leave Igbo, your whole privilege that you're enjoying in your house, the whole privilege you're enjoying through maybe your title, your age, your position, is disappeared. You come to Europe, nobody gives a shit about your title. Nobody gives a shit about whether you're the oldest son or the youngest son, whether you built a house in your village, whether you have donated to the community. You have to go, when you are born, who get meat first. All these stories here, nobody cares. You go to work, you pay your taxes. You have to go, if you don't pay your taxes, you get your troubles. You lose all these, your privileges you're enjoying at home. You have to go, and your family connections as well. Here you're on your own. Ezengwa has gone. This is going to the 4th week now. I'm alone with these 4 children. You have to go managing myself, working, taking care of the kids, doing everything, trying to hold the house together while he's gone. Because that's how we do it here. You're on your own. You have to go. So for him going home, that is the time in the year where, he wake up in the morning. His sister will already have cooked his breakfast. She already has prepared everything for him. They wash his clothes. He get up, somebody will be washing his car. Do you think they do that here? Do you think anybody will go and clean Ezengwa's car here? No. You people will not understand. So this time, homecoming, Igbo homecoming, any Igbo man that can afford it will go. Zurich here where I live, during Christmas, there's no more Igbo person here. Unless those that maybe didn't have the means to go. But if anybody can afford it, bye-bye. You have to go. Some people will even quit their job because normally you're not allowed to stay away for a long time. They'll quit their job, go to Alibo, do Christmas, everything, come back, start to look for a job again. That's just the thing. So, yes, I'm jealous, but I'm not worried. I know my husband. He's a very good husband. He's very serious. And I just have so much trust in this person. So whatever you want to write in that comment section, go ahead. I don't need to monitor this man. He would have had every opportunity in his life to make a different choice than the choice he made. So it's not now he will reconsider. You have to go.